Hi children, welcome back to online class. In previous class, already studied about some constructions. Okay children, so in exercise problems also homework. Okay, do it homework. Okay, I hope that you do it the homework. Okay, so now next in this session, discussion about some construction of triangles. Triangle is a closed figure, so all sides are equals, so having three line segments. Okay children, some construction of triangles. Already you know deep discussion from the chapter triangles. Okay, only construction for the triangles. Okay, you see children. So in construction 6.4, to construct a triangle, given its base, a base angle and some of other two sides. So base angle is BC. So a base angle, this is BC is the base angle. So not given this length. So given base A, base angle say angle B and some angle AB plus BC. Like this is the base. Okay. So this is, I will draw this. This is one of the right angle triangle. Okay. So this is one of the right angle triangle means this is one of the triangle. Okay. So you should base. You should join this type. Okay. This is A, B, C, D. Okay. A, B, C, D. This is one of the angle. This is one of the angle. This is one of the angle. Angle B. Okay, angle B is equal to what is? So 90 degree. Angle B is equal to 90 degree. But angle B is equal to AB and AC. Angle B is equal to AB plus AC. Only construction. AB and AC. How to construct? You see children. Draw the base BC and point at the point B, make an angle. Okay, say X, B, C. X, B, C. So this is D. This is X. This is Y. Okay, inside A, this is Y point. Okay, so extended ray. So this is not given measurement. Okay. So draw the base BC and at the point B make an angle, say, what do you say? X, B, C equal to the given angle. So cut line segment BD. So here cut line segment. What is the cut line segment? This line segment equal to the AB plus AC. AB plus AC. So now next join DC and make an angle DCY equal to the DCY is equal to the angle BDC. Okay, so we should write it angle angle DCY. This portion is equal to the angle BDC. Angle BDC. And next, let CY intersect point which one? BX. So in YC or CY intersecting point is BX. Okay, ABC is a required triangle. Therefore, ABC is a required triangle. Okay, ABC is a required triangle. Okay, therefore angle ACD. Where is there ACD? Angle ACD is equal to angle ADC. ACD is equal to the angle ADC. So was by construction. What is this? By construction. AD is equal to BD minus AC. You see children, AB is equal to BD minus AD. So total distance minus AD, and BD is equal to AC. Okay, BD is equal to AC. Okay children. So now next AB plus AC. Here AB plus AC is equal to what? B is the proof. Okay. So alternate method is that. This one is that. Okay. We should draw this figure. Now next we shall move that construction 6.5 to construct a triangle given its base, a base angle and the difference of other two sides. Means base angle is, what is their base angle? BC is there. Okay. And so difference. So in BD difference, BX minus DX. This is the difference. Okay. We should draw in this notes, your notes. We should draw your notes children. So easy is that we should draw your notes. Now next let's I will say that construction. Steps of construction. So in AB greater than AC and this one AB less than AC. Two cases is there in this figure depend upon construction to construct a triangle given its base. Base means what is this? This is the base, one of the base. Okay. A base angle and the difference of other two sides. So if first case is AB greater than AC is there and second case AB less than AC is there. Okay children. So in first step construction, draw the base BC and at a point B make an angle say XBC. Okay. So first we should draw that base. After keep in protractor, you should make that one angle. Okay, acute angle. So you should take that acute angle. So this give that name XBC equal to the given angle. Cut the line segment BD equal to AB minus AC from ray BX. I will say that one. So you should write it. You should draw your notes in phase 2. I will write in first one. Phase 1. Steps of construction. Construct 6.5. Okay children, construct 6.5. Okay, so base we should children, this is one of the scale, this is one of the protector, this is one of the compose with pencil. So this is piece of chalk is that your side, so pencil having. Okay, you should take measure, you should take any measure. So you should take 10 centimeter. This is BC. Okay, this is base. Okay, you should put protector in angle B. Okay, 170 degree. So here 1 minute children. This is 60 degree. You know that. Okay, 60 degree. After you should join this one. Okay, this is one of the way X. Okay, you should join here. You should cut one arm means here. Okay, so here you should cut. We should cut in half of the base. We should cut here and here also. We should cut here one. Here cut here one arm. Here cut here one arm. We should draw the one line. Okay, children, draw one line. So this is T. This is Q. This AB greater than AC, that is AB minus AC. Where is that AB? AB minus AC. AB minus, this is one of the side of the triangle, AB minus AC. Okay, so therefore, you see children, the required triangle is which triangle is there? The required triangle is ABC. Okay, the required triangle is ABC. So, in BC and angle BC and angle B drawn as given. So in 8th standard given length, but in this construction not given length. So you are assume and draw. Okay. So the point A perpendicular to bisector of DC. Therefore AD is equal to AC. Where is the AD? AD is equal to AC. Okay, this is one line segment, this is one line segment, but in this both also equal. Okay, BD is equal to AB minus AD, nothing but AB minus AC. Okay, AB minus AC. Okay, this is case 1, but we should do that in case 2 in your home. Why? Because AB less than AC. This is AB greater than AC. First case, you do that in AB less than AC. AB less than AC. Only you should do that. Figure is that. So in base, so center is having. Okay, base center is having, and AC and DC is two sides. Okay, X one of the ray is there. You should write that in your notes. Okay, that is homework for you. So construction. Now next in construction 6.6. How do you know triangles? To construct a triangle, but not given that which expect triangle, means that one is exact triangle not given. So construct a triangle given it is a perimeter and its two base angles. Perimeter of the triangle. Perimeter. So find out that perimeter. Perimeter AB plus BC plus AB. So ABC one of the triangle means AB plus BC plus CA. This is one of the perimeter of the triangle. So given base angles A, angle B and angle C, and BC plus CA plus AB, you have to construct the triangle ABC. First, draw a line segment. Say XY equal to BC and CA and AB. So first one. So first you should draw that one base. That is XY base. Okay children, you should draw this one base. So you should give that name X, Y. Okay, equal to BC. BC should, this is one of the 10 centimeter means you should take that 15 centimeter means this is 5, this is 5, this is 5. Total 15 centimeter. You should draw middle one triangle. Okay, this is, what is this? So this is BC plus CA plus AB. This is one of the perimeter of the triangle. Okay children. So now next, what is this? First only additional. So after we should join this one. Okay, should give the name. here should take 70 degree in equal distance. So you should write that one ray. Are you understood, children? Okay. Now next we should move to the make a angle LXY. So this is LXY. This is point M. Okay. So now next you should take this equal distance, cut one arc. Okay. Here cut one arc and here cut one arc. Okay. Here cut one arc. Here cut one arc. Okay. So here equal distance, cut one arc and here one arc and here one arc and here one arc. Join the line. Okay. Now next we should cut here one. We should cut one arc and in downside also we should cut one arc and downside also. Okay. Join this. Now next, this is angle. I will write that. So 70 degree. I will take that 70 and 70 degree. Okay, children. 70 and 70. BC is there. Okay. So that one is that. Draw a line segment. Say XY equal to BC plus EA and AB. Make angles LXY equal to which one? Angle B and MYX. MYX angle C and bisects angle XY and angle MYX. Let the bisector intersect at a point A. So draw a perpendicular bisector PQ. Where is there in PQ? So not given. Perpendicular bisector means you should take that in half of the line segment. Okay. So in perpendicular bisector PQ and AX. This is perpendicular bisector. So this is cut one arc. This is cut one arc. This is cut one arc. This is cut one arc downside. So join AB and AC. Okay. So in ABC is a then ABC is a required triangle. For justification. So here cut here, but here cut here and down, and here cut one arc and down arc. Okay. So in justification. Okay, children. XB is equal to XB is equal to AB and CY is equal to AC. XB is equal to AB, CY is equal to AC, side of the triangle. In BC plus CA plus AB is equal to BC plus XB. So you should only use that. BC as it is, in AB is nothing but XB and this is CY. This is equal to what that? This is equal to XY. Angle BAX. This is BAX is equal to angle AXB. AXB. BA is equal to vice versa. This is has in triangle AXB. AB is equal to XB. Where is there AB? AB is equal to XB, equal distance. So therefore angle ABC is equal to angle BAX plus angle AXB y. L L L X Y. Okay, angle ACB, angle ACB is equal to angle MYX, angle MYX. Okay, is the proof or is the justification. Okay children, are you understood? So only compare to this one. Why? Because XB is equal to AB, CY is equal to AC. This is side of the triangle. So compare to the one side to the another side. Should take angle A, angle BAX, angle BAX, take angle ABX. So this is only justification. Now next we shall move to that. So in this construction, this is one of the example problem. Example 1, construct a triangle ABC in which angle B is equal to 60 degree and angle C is equal to 45 degree. AB plus BC plus C is equal to 11 centimeter. Okay children, do that problem. Example 1, triangle ABC, total AB plus BC plus CA is equal to how many? 7 centimeter, so 11 centimeter. Angle B is equal to 60 degree, angle C is equal to 45 degree. Okay children, so we do that. Take that 11 centimeter. We should give that name. What is? We should give that name BC. Okay. So now next, this is 11 centimeter. We should keep protector B. This is 60 is there. Next, this is 45. This one protector C. This is 45. This is 45. Should write that this is 60, this is 45. Okay. So in center, we should do that triangle. Okay. We should take in one minute. I will also again do this. Only because I will write in this is scale. This is 11 centimeter BC. Okay. So in protector keep here. draw this one triangle. I will give that name. This is 60 degree. This is 45 degree. Okay. This is A, B, C. Okay. So already you know A, B, C. This is P. This is Q. Okay. A, B, C. Next, we should cut one hand. So here and you should here and here and here. Why? Because we should join this. Join because so you should cut here one arc and here in downside also two arc, having two arc, and we should cut here one arc. We should here one arc. We should draw one arc. Now next we should draw here one arc. This is here. We should draw this. Here one arc, that one arc. Now next we should cut one arc means we should draw two arc. Okay? We should in two arc. Here one arc, here one arc. So we should draw one straight right angle. So you should cut. Okay? Here cut one arc, here cut one arc. Okay, children, give that name. This is for L. This is for D. This is for B, and this is for E. Coming only inside only. This is E. Okay. This is D. This is E, and this is C. This is D, and this is to R. We should cut arc. Why? Because we should cut here one arc and here one arc and here one arc, here one arc. Okay. So this is point M. This is F. Okay. This is how many degree? 45 degree. This is also 45 degree. Okay. So first we should take that angles. So 60 and 60 after joining the in triangles and cut the arcs. Okay, children, that only justification. So in therefore ABC is an required triangle. Okay, children, ABC is a required triangle. This is 60 degree. This is 45 degree. This is one of the which one? Equilateral or acute angle. Which one is that? This is one of the acute angle triangle. We should have means 60 plus 40. So 5, 6 plus 4, 10. 1 and 5 means this is one of the acute angle. Means we should have in both sides are hard means coming. Which one is acute angle? This is one of the acute angle. In both, only one angle is 60 degree means only one angle is acute means that is the acute angle. This is two angles 60 and 45. This is one angle. This is another angle. Why? Because this is 60 degrees nothing but acute angle and 45 is nothing but acute angle. Okay, children. So we should draw using instrument box. Instrument box scale already is the reverse scale. But you see, children, how many times is that? 15 is that. Okay. So 11. I put 11 means this one is coming here. So otherwise, so properly not coming figure. So you use instrument box means properly coming figure. Okay. We should put height properly. Okay. Now next we shall move to that. Which one? Exercise 6.2. There are 5 questions is that. Exercise 6.2. Construct a triangle ABC BC is equal to 7 centimeter. Triangle ABC. BC is equal to 7 centimeter. Angle B is equal to 75 degree. And AB plus AC is equal to 30 centimeter. You should draw in base. Base, what you should draw means base of the triangle. Okay, how many centimeter? 7 centimeter. You should draw that in base 7. Okay, children, this is 7 centimeter. This is BC. So in where you keep the protector? So point B. So here is the 70 degree, 75. 75. Okay. In AB plus AC. This is one of the A. This is one of the A. AB plus AC. Total how many? 75 degree. You should join this. Okay. So in AB plus AC is equal to 30 degree means. So AB is equal to 7 centimeter and this is 6 centimeter. So 30. Okay. This is 7 centimeter and this is 6 centimeter. Okay, children, this is 6 centimeter. We should cut hard. We should cut. We should cut ear one. We should cut here and here. We should join this. Okay. Okay, children, are you understood? We should join this in straight line. Okay. So this is one of the triangle. The required triangle is ABC. The required triangle. The required triangle is ABC. Now next we shall move to that. Construct a triangle. This is hard, but in second one is difference. Construct a triangle ABC in which BC is equal to 8 centimeter. Angle B is equal to 45 degree. AB minus AC is equal to 3.5 centimeter. AB minus AC is equal to 3.5 centimeter. This is hard the two sides, but in second question differ from the two sides. Construct a triangle ABC. Okay. This is BC is equal to 8 centimeter and angle B is equal to 45 degree is nothing but what, children? 45 degree is nothing but acute angle. BC is equal to angle B is equal to 45 degree. AB minus AC is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Okay, we should draw 8 centimeter. Okay, this is one of the base 8 centimeter BC. Angle. So in keep protector in point B. How many degree? This is 45. Okay. 45 degree. Okay. So AB minus AC is equal to 3 centimeter. You should put 3 centimeter. Where is that 3 centimeter? This is. You should join. Okay. Still, you should join. Okay, children. This is 3.5 centimeter. This is A, B, C. This is join inside. So this is second one. The required triangle is how many? What is that? This is 45 degree. The required triangle is ABC. So AB minus AC is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Okay children, have I got it? Now next, construct a triangle 2 centimeter. You do that homework. Okay. So in exercise, you do that homework from in third one question. Third one. Okay. And so in fourth one, construct a triangle XYZ in which angle Y is equal to 30 degree, angle Z is equal to 90 degree, and XY plus YZ plus ZX is equal to 11 centimeter. Okay children, do it that one. Okay. In triangle, I will erase this one. Total, this is second one, in third one, fourth one question. XY triangle, XYZ. Okay, angle Y is equal to 30 degree. Okay, angle Y is equal to 30 degree. Angle Z is equal to 90 degree. X, Y plus Y, Z plus Z, X is equal to 11 centimeter. Okay, 11 centimeter. Okay, we should draw this figure. First one, how many? XY, YZ, ZX is equal to, not even justification, only you should write that. So here 11 centimeter. Total X, Y. Okay, so we should keep in angle Y should keep in 90 degree. In angle Y is equal to, ZX, YZ, we should give them YZ, why? Because Y is equal to 30 degree is that, Y is equal to 30, this is 90, okay. We should draw. Okay, this is one of the straight angle. Now next, we should draw this straight angle. Okay, here one straight angle. Okay children, now next cut that. This is, we should give that R, we should give that, this is X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z, this is PQ, okay. Next, how to cut half? Here one R and here one R and two R. Join this R. Okay. Next, we should cut here one R and here one R. Downside also cut two R. We should join. Okay. Into R. Here we should cut here one R and here one R, join, and in here one R, here and join. So this is 90 degree. Okay children, give that name. This is S. Okay. This is V. This is W. This is W. This is V. Okay. This is first. This line segment is W. This line segment is, what is this? V. Okay. This line segment is T, and we should take here one R, here one R, and we should draw here one R and here one R. Right? R. Okay. This is how many? This is 30. Why? Because this also 30 degree. Okay. So how many centimeter is that? This is total 11 centimeter is there. Okay children, have I got it this? We should draw one line segment. How many is that? So in total XY, YZ, ZX is equal to 7 centimeter. So after we should join this one triangle. Right angle triangle is one angle is 90 degree. After cut two line segments, we should take arcs. Okay, this is therefore the required triangle is XYZ. Okay children, have I got it this one? Are you understood this? Okay, you should cut properly. Why? Because your measurement yourself. Your only is the instrument box. Otherwise, we should check neatly. 11 centimeter means we should exactly put 11 centimeter line segment. After we should take that. So in here and here. So in 90 and 30 degree, we should cut that in arc. Okay children. So in fourth one over and fifth one you do that homework. What is the fifth one? Construct a right angle whose base is 12 centimeter and sum of hypotenuse and other side is 18 centimeter. You see children, this is one of the triangle is A, B, C. This is hypotenuse. This is adjacent. This is opposite. Hypotenuse is 18 centimeter. Okay, hypotenuse is there 18 centimeter. Base is 12 centimeter. You draw that construction. Okay children, in this session discussion about the construction from some construction of triangles. Okay, so and another one is construct some triangles using the 90 degree, 30 degree and exercise problems also do it. Okay, so in this class exercise problem is homework. Third one and fifth one is homework, but you do that in notes. So steps construction, case 2, you do that notes. Okay children, thank you one and all.